Browsing through catalogs about telescope equipment can be a daunting task for both beginners and veterans. One quick way to narrow down your search is by learning the difference between Dobsonian, Alt-Azimuth, and Equatorial-German mounts and why one may be better suited for your needs. Each of these varieties are also offered in a computerized package, meaning they will automatically track and follow celestial objects at the push of a button. Computerized alt-azimuth mounts are some of the easiest mounts to use and have some of the simplest movement patterns, up and down, also known as altitude, and left and right, or azimuth. These mounts are most commonly referenced alongside Dobsonian mounts, which due to the limited pattern of movement make for a poor choice for those seeking to view stars directly above one's view. However, this limited movement also makes it incredibly easy to set up, as there is no aligning required. The Orion XT series of telescopes offers a Newtonian reflector with a manual Dobsonian mount for an incredibly reasonable price, while if a computerized package is more your style, the Orion Starseeker series and the manual Celestron heavy-duty alt-azimuth tripod are also available. These mounts are great for any beginners who are looking for a simple method of viewing objects in the night sky, or those who do not want to spend a long time getting set up. Most professional and amateur astronomers use an Equatorial-German mount such as the Meade LX850, which boasts a 90-pound instrument capacity, or roughly 40 kilograms, and the more commonly purchased Orion Skyview Pro Equatorial, which can hold up to 20 pounds or 9 kilograms. Both of these mounts are capable of doing the exact same thing, except the LX850 is larger, heavier, can hold more, and costs almost 8 times more than the Skyview. Most 6-inch, or 150mm telescopes weigh less than 20 pounds, or 9 kilograms, meaning the Skyview can be a perfect Equatorial-German mount for most astronomers. Equatorial-German mounts are similar to alt-azimuth, but they rotate in a way that follows the Earth, relative to the rotation of the Earth. These can be quite confusing, but basically, depending on where you are on the surface of the planet, you are located a specific distance from the equator, meaning, you have either more or less daylight depending on the day and season due to your angle away or towards the sun. In other words, if you expect to track the stars the same way on two different sides of the planet, you will need to compensate for rotation, hence a mount was created to do so. This allows astronomers to obtain unparalleled views of celestial objects as they track across the sky by only rotating the camera in one direction. Like most things, the question of what mount is the best all depends on the circumstances. For beginners seeking to easily view the stars with very little setup time, try the Celestron 127 and 130 series of the Orion XT series. These range from a few $100s and pounds to a few thousand and produce amazing quality views. Anyone looking to obtain a high-quality German equatorial should look at the Meade LX70 or LX850 of the Orion, Sirius, Atlas, or HDX 110. These are specifically just high-quality mounts and range from a rough $1,000 and pounds to a few thousand. There you have it, a summary of what to look for when purchasing a telescope mount as well as recommendations. If you are interested in learning more about other telescope equipment such as mounts and eyepieces, then please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any suggestions or comments, let me know in the comments section down below.